Using templates in Instagram Reels can help you create, edit, and post a reel in less than a minute. It's the secret to breaking Instagram Reels' speed barrier. So put on your running shoes, because it's time for a race against time. Ready? Timer set, go! First, open up your phone to the Instagram app, then tap on the Reels tab. Next, click on the camera icon in the top right corner and swipe right to get to the templates page. Find an Instagram Reel template that you like and tap Use Template. Now, add your media and adjust your clips to fit the template. Tap Next and add any extra effects, filters, and stickers as needed. Tap Next again and add your caption, tags, and location. Then tap Share. Stop the timer, stop the timer. What does it say? Yes! That's a new record for my creative process. How do we get out of here? Last time I saved this much time was when I started batching my reels and scheduling them with Hootsuite. Speaking of, you should grab your free 60-day trial. Now that we've gotten that hard part out of the way, let's port over some other important details. Let's check the FAQs. First, what is an Instagram Reel template exactly? An Instagram Reel template takes an existing reel and uses the same pattern of music, timestamps, and effects to make your own new reel featuring your own video clips. You feel me? Templates save the time you spend picking music or manually editing clips down to perfectly sync with the beat. The hardest part is finding an on-brand template that supports and elevates your message and content. Which brings me to question 2. How do I find Instagram Reel templates? There are 2 ways to find your ideal Instagram Reels template. Okay. Option 1, visit the Reels tab. Tap on the camera icon to open the video editor and swipe left to the templates section in the bottom. Option 2, while watching any reel in your feed, look for ones that have a Use Template button. This is usually found directly above the name of the creator. If you find a reel you like, but the Use Template button isn't showing up, one thing you can do is tap on the audio instead and look to see if there are any reels using it that do have the Use Template button. Haha!
Unbelievable.
There is time only for Peanut.
A hacker.
How do I make my own template in Instagram Reels? In order to create your own templates in Instagram Reels, you have to have a public account and make a reel that contains music and 3 or more clips that you edited together natively in Instagram. Then, once you publish it, it will automatically be turned into a template for other people to use as long as it meets the criteria. Why aren't my reels turning into templates? If your reels are not turning into templates, there could be a few reasons. First, make sure that you have a public account and that your Instagram app is up to date. Second, make sure that the reel criteria is met of containing music and 3 or more clips that are edited together within Instagram, not an external video editor. If you still don't see the template option, it's possible this feature isn't available in your area just yet. All right, that's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. If you want more Instagram Reels hacks and tricks, we've got the best ones coming up next. Bye for now.